Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are again trading dollar versus Japanese yen. You must have seen the previous video where we worked on retracement strategy. In these videos we will work on breakout strategy. You should always try to understand price action, which will work all the time except sometime. Now I am applying for trade. I have already calculated this lot size. Guys, we will meet after some time. Guys, we have $4,482 in this account, which we are going to grow now. Some dollars loss may be visible here. As the market moves down, we will get profit. We will understand the reason for selling trade with proper technical analysis, by which we will be able to find out step by step how the selling opportunity has been created in the market. In this video, I will tell you a 5-step trading process which has never been told before, but very few people have understood it. I apply it in every video. You also see it, but do not understand. You must be seeing the entire trading process on the chart, which we will understand one by one topic. First of all, we will understand the sell trade reason for which we will have to create a trend channel. The market was following this trend line respectfully where we would see perfect higher low points. We will connect as many points as we can with this trend line so that we can get the correct trend line. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance for us. The market was following this trend channel very well but could not follow it for long. But the market has created all the points here perfectly. At this point, the market has given a trendline breakout which has created a very good selling opportunity. For this reason we have placed sell trade, as there is a high chance that the market may go down. Next we will get more reasons for selling trade. Here our first step is complete. Now follow the second step, which is the support resistance reversal level. For this we will have to draw a rectangle level. From this we will know the reversal points. At this level the market has created support and resistance points from where the market has repeatedly reversed. Reverse points at this level will be visible in future also. You can see on all these points the market has respected this level very well. The market first took support and later broke it to become resistance, which has created a support become resistance pattern here. At these points also the market has created multiple support resistance points from where the market has reversed again and again. We will see such points in future also. This level of ours is working perfectly. There is a high probability chance that the market will go down from here. Guys, our analysis is going in the right direction, so we will be able to manage the trade easily. Now we have to do further analysis, because here we will draw another strong resistance level which will give us more selling signals. One should always look at the market from all angles, from which we can get a very important indication in which direction the market will go. The market is at this level, only resistance points are created, which is very important. The market does not break the level which market moves towards down. Guys, here a double top pattern has been formed on the big time frame, which is a strong reversal pattern. Let us now complete the third step, which is the risk to reward ratio. Here my risk is 20 pips. If I lose then it will be $2,500, and the reward is 40 pips, which will give us a profit of around $5,000. Now we will move to step 4, which is the stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be placed above the strong support resistance level and inside the trend channel, which is 20 pips. If this is a fake breakout, our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be 40 pips below where the market will make a new lower low. The way we analyze the market should go down. Guys, here our loss is running around $600. The market is currently creating a consolidation pattern at one place. As soon as we break that consolidation pattern, we can see a good move to the downside. Guys, our 4-step process has been completed till now. Now we have to complete the 5-step process, which is very important. Most of the big targets are achieved through this, which is psychology. Even if we make a 1-hour video of this topic, we cannot cover it, but we can understand its important part, which is very important for trading. The most important thing in psychology is discipline, which is very difficult to follow. The discipline also has important topics of trading, like applying trades again and again on the same setup. Never exit the trade before stop loss or target is hit. Always seek the right risk to reward ratio. All these topics come in the discipline. If you want more video on psychology, then you can watch Khoo psychology video, whose description box is in the link. Now we have to follow 5th step, and we will not exit the trade until stop loss or target point is hit. See you guys a little later. Guys, our target has been hit, as the market moved too far from the niche as we have analyzed, as the market respected our setup and we have seen a very good move, where we had a strong level, the market again took resistance there and retested it, due to which a consolidation zone was created. As soon as the market broke the consolidation zone, the market went straight down as we predict. Our target point is at the level that has just been hit. The market will go further below our target level because there are a lot of sellers. Now I have told you to do further analysis in which we think where the market can reverse or rest. We'll draw another rectangle level here. At this level the market has created multiple support and resistance points, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at this level. The market has been following this level for a long time, making it a strong level. Such levels are always very important, because the market reverses only at such levels. Whether support or resistance is created, the market is now coming near our lower level. Here two conditions will be applied, in which in the first condition the market will break the level and go down, or in the second condition the support will go up from here. Guys, here the profit is running around $4,800, which is generated from 5-step trading process. You can modify this step according to your own. From this you must have got an idea that how we should do trading in the right direction so that we can get good results. If you like the video, then give a like and see you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.